What is up guys, Stan this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your OneDrive stuck on processing changes. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar, type in Microsoft accounts. After typing, you will see this first official website of Microsoft account. Click on that website and then you will be redirected to the login or sign up page of Microsoft account. So if you already have a Microsoft accounts account, so you can just simply click on sign in and then sign in with your account. But if you want to create a new account, click on create a free account and then enter your email, password, and other credentials to create your own free account. Now, after coming to the Microsoft Account Center on the left side, you will see the app launcher of Microsoft. Click on that, and then you will see the OneDrive application. Now, when you click on that OneDrive application, a new tab will open, and this is the page that you will see. From here, if you are new to OneDrive, click on create a free account, and if you already have an account, click on sign in. Now, after login or signing in, you will be redirected to the home page of Microsoft OneDrive. You can access the storage from here if you want, but if you don't want to access it from here, you can see the small OneDrive personal icon on the right side at the bottom of your lower taskbar. You can just click on this OneDrive cloud icon and then click on settings at the top right and then click on settings again. After that, you will see the OneDrive storage settings. From here, click on account and then click on unlink this PC. Now, what will this unlink this PC do? This will remove your PC from your OneDrive storage account. But don't worry, guys, there's nothing to panic about. Just simply unlink your PC and then close your OneDrive storage settings and then come to the File Explorer. And from here, delete that OneDrive folder and then reopen the OneDrive, then relog in it, and after that you will see the option of link with PC. So when you click on this, it will reestablish the connection, and then you will be able to successfully solve this stuck problem of OneDrive. This is how you can do it. And that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.